Do you want to add a poll on Facebook Reels? You can create and add voting poll in the Facebook Reel video with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add poll on Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add a voting poll to a Facebook Reels video, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, go to your profile. Now, find and tap on the Reel option under the What's on Your Mind section. If it is not available, tap on Videos or Reels and then select Create a Reel from there. A new screen will appear. From here, select a video from your device gallery. If you want to create a new Reel video, tap on the camera icon. Now you can edit the video, crop, and add effects, text, or music to your video as needed. Once you are satisfied with your editing, tap on the Next button. Here you will see various options. Find and tap Add a poll from the list of options. A new screen will appear. First, add the poll question under the Poll Prompt section. Below the title of the poll, enter the options for viewers to choose from. Once you have added the options, tap on Save at the top right of the screen. Now, add a caption, tags, and other details if desired. Lastly, tap on Share now to post your Reel with the voting poll on Facebook. Once published, your friends and followers can see your Reel video and vote in your poll.